It's another DIY card craft making video idea. How about turning recycled materials into new craft projects? Are you like me and make a calendar every year for your family with one of the services like Shutterfly? Or you just have a beautiful calendar that you feel bad about throwing out? Well, how about cutting those up and using them for inspiration to make new cards or invitations? You can use decorative layered papers or different embellishments. And I love to use my puffy paints. They add nice little accents. And my favorite tool is my embossing gun. This thing is great. A neighbor left me a box of stamps and a bunch of the different things. This is the one that you need. It's just a watermark clear stamp pad. That's what you use for the embossing gun. And it just adds this raised element to a card that I think is just a really nice touch of elegance. So have fun cutting up an old calendar perhaps, or try embossing and send a card to someone. You'll make their day.